In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to list view in Asana. Whether you're managing a project or organizing tasks for your team, Asana offers several views to fit your needs and enhance productivity. The list view is particularly popular for its simplicity and straightforward task management. Let's get started on how you can switch to this view easily within minutes. First, open any web browser of your choice and go to the Asana website. Once the page loads, you'll see the Login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you have multiple options to access your Asana account. For this demonstration, we'll use the Continue with Google option. Simply click on that button to proceed. You'll then need to select your Google account from the list that appears or log in if you're prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're inside your Asana workspace, it's time to navigate to your desired project. Look over to the left-hand panel of the screen. This area displays a list of projects that you are part of. Scroll through and select the project you want to view in list format. This action will take you directly to the project's main page. Now, to switch to the list view, you'll need to locate the plus icon on the interface. It's typically found in the project toolbar above your existing tasks or board view. Click on this plus icon, which is typically used to either add a task or change views. You'll be presented with several options for how to view your project. Today, we are focused on the list view, so look for the option labeled List among the selections. Once you find it, simply click on it. Congratulations, you should now see your project in list view. This format displays all your tasks in a straightforward list, each with details such as task name, assignee, due date, and any attached tags. Being able to view your tasks in a list can help streamline your workflow and make it easier to keep track of outstanding items or priorities. It's especially helpful if you're managing a large project with numerous tasks and you want to have a quick overview at a glance. And there you have it, a simple way to switch your Asana project to list view. Feel free to explore other views if you find them more suitable for different needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.